extra exciting because I have two special guests that I want you to meet, my children. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Kason Diaz.
And how old are you?
I am 8 years old.
What do you like to do for fun?
Well, I love playing with my dinosaur toys, which is a humongous collection, ranging from Jurassic World toys to Animal Planet toys, which I only have one, I believe. And I also like creating stuff. For example, the best one I ever made was called the Protoceratops. It's a type of dinosaur, and I made it. I also like drawing and illustrating. From the fictional Orb Quest that was discontinued to ABC Dinosaurs, a new member that has facts about a dinosaur for each letter of the alphabet.
Thank you, Kason. Hi, how are you? What is your name?
Jackson Diaz.
And how old are you?
Only 4 years old.
Okay, and what do you like to do for fun?
Swim in a bouncy house.
Okay.
Go on a slip and slide. Then go on playing with my monster trucks and my cars.
Wow. Well, thank you for sharing that with our viewers. And your excavator, yes, because you love trucks. Thank you for sharing that with our viewers. Now they know a little bit more about you guys. Today we are going to be baking a banana walnut almond flour muffin recipe. And my boys are going to be helping me with it, so stay tuned. These are the ingredients for the banana walnut almond flour muffin recipe. Here we have 3 cups of almond flour, 3 ripe bananas, 3 raw eggs, 1/4 a cup of walnuts, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. You will also need a muffin tin. I prefer these cupcake liners for quick cleanup, and an ice cream scoop. Jackson, what's the first step?
The first step is blending.
Thank you. We're going to blend first
The banana.
There we go. So we put in the bananas. I'm going to put in the baking soda.
I wonder why it's called baking soda.
What do you think?
Maybe because it has soda in it.
Think again. The vanilla extract.
It looks like honey, kind of.
It does a little bit. The cinnamon.
Can I lick the rest?
Mom.
No.
We don't want to lick that.
Mom.
Yes.
Cinnamon.
Where you
The
got
salt.
this?
Salt.
Mom, where you got this from?
I got that from a store, and the eggs.
The
Oh,
eggs.
cool.
Oh my goodness. Look at the banana.
So now
It has cinnamon.
we put in all of our ingredients. Now we're going to
It feels so soft.
blend.
RIP headphone users.
Look at this move.
Just know, everyone, that you could use a food processor. This is a powerful blender, but you could also use a food processor. I really like this recipe because...
It's sticky.
Okay, Jackson,
What the
may I
look?
please have that?
Look,
This
it's
is what
sticky.
happens when you record with a 4-year-old. Honey, but we're going to use that for the recipe. We don't want to get it dirty. Can I have it? Thank you.
You know, the ingredients that are mushed up in the blender now seem pretty similar to the cheese in the pastelon. See previous.
That's a good observation. So one of the things that I like about this recipe is that you basically just blend and bake, and you will see as we progress through it. Spatula, please. Mommy needs to scrape the sides for the recipe.
Oh, this is going to be cool.
It is going to be very cool if you hand
And
it
yummy.
over. Can I have it?
But
That's
why
actually
is
yummy.
it sticking on the wall? Why is it sticking on the wall?
Because
Because it has a sticky surface. Let me give this a rinse.
Oh, that is so cool. What?
I'm gonna give this a rinse because you had it in your hands and you put it down there. All right, let's just scrape the sides
Jump
now.
up. I know. I'll carry you up so the viewers can see. Here he is.
We're just gonna scrape the sides because we want to make sure we blend everything.
He's so heavy.
It smells so good. And so, Kason, what's the second step?
The second step is adding the almond flour.
Thank you. So I'm gonna use this serving cup because I think it's just easier to add it slowly this way.
Hey, it's not a serving cup. It's a mini frying pan.
Yeah, it kind of looks like one. So we're going to process it just enough to combine. So I'm gonna do it slowly and then we'll add the rest. Okay, now let's add a little more.
Hey, wait, the container of that is kind of like the one for the sweet potato crackers.
It is. Wow, you are really making a lot of connections with this recipe today, aren't you?
Yeah. Mom, what is that big that thing? Like
That's
the thing
part
that
that's
stands
part of the blender. It helps to blend. It has the blade on it.
It looks like the Empire State Building.
It is tall like a skyscraper, yes.
Yeah, but it only looks like the Empire State Building when it's covered in all that.
Get every little bit in there.
That kind of, this kind of looks like sand.
It does.
And the Empire State Building is buried in sand.
This should be the last of it, right? So now we're gonna blend this. You might want to stop halfway through just to scrape the sides to get it in and make sure that you blend every little bit.
That feels
It smells so good. Can you guys smell it?
Yeah, it smells so good. Before you added all the flour, it still smelled like bananas.
It
Banana
did.
doesn't really smell like bananas because of all the big sand.
Yeah.
Wait.
Now that we're done with the blending, our third step is
Adding the walnuts, but don't let Jackson get too close. He really loves the walnuts. He was eating some of them earlier.
Oh, there goes the spatula.
The spatula just broke.
It just came off slightly. So we're gonna combine in all the walnuts. Happened again. Let's put it to the side. Okay.
Hey, I have an idea.
That's a good suggestion to fixing it. We're going to use this ice cream scoop to start preparing our muffins.
Hey, we're not making ice cream. We're making healthy muffins.
Yeah, we
So
are.
then why would we need something that serves unhealthy things?
Well, we can use an ice cream scoop to make this easier. And ice cream is okay to have sometimes, right? I know it has sugar, and we try to limit our sugar, but it's okay to have it sometimes.
And
Today
ice
we're
cream
not
is also
having
pretty
sugar.
yummy.
It is. Today we're not having sugar because we came up with this recipe. But it's okay to have it sometimes,
I have
right?
something. For viewers that are watching, comment down below what your favorite ice cream flavor is in the comments below.
And comment down below who likes monster trucks. And comment down below who likes eating muffins.
Oh yeah, I love eating muffins.
That's a good one. I like that one.
That's a good one.
I like that one.
Mom, that muffin kind of look like cupcakes.
Yeah,
They do.
they're cupcakes,
They're like,
except they have little hats on them, and they're not covered in frosting. And muffins, and cupcakes also have little hats on them, but they're covered in frosting and sprinkles.
okay, so we want to make
Oh
sure.
yeah, the muffins have little beanies.
We want to make sure that we start with one scoop in each cupcake liner, and then we repeat the process until we use up all the batter.
Hey, wait, there's some sticking off there.
Are there fire? Look, there's a cup with a fire.
Oh yeah, it probably says that they're flammable.
Close that cabinet,
Do you
please.
know what flammable
Hey,
means?
there's a new sponge.
Oh wait, I know. That says fire because it's a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, because it takes out all the fire.
Yes, it does. But
That's only for
mommy.
small-
For adults,
That's for
mommy to
small
handle.
fires. Very small ones. But ones that are causing buildings, fire trucks.
Tita, look at my yeet, my small yeet. Let me go down, look. Oh, yeah.
All right, I'll try one.
Yay! This is the yeet I eat. Look.
So now that our oven has preheated, we are ready to bake our muffins at 350 for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Make sure to double check that they're ready by inserting a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, you know they're ready. Let's pop these in the oven. Set it and forget it. Our muffins are ready and they have cooled. Now we are going to taste them. Very exciting. Okay, this one's for Jackson. They've cooled off, but just hold off, okay, guys? I'm gonna break it up for you. Let's take off the cupcake liner. Oh, it looks so yummy. Mommy's just gonna break it apart. Oh, look at that. Wait. Wait, Jackson. Wait, Jackson. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Now your turn, Casey. Can I have a bite from yours, Jackson, so mommy can taste it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Dad, you want to taste some?
They're so yummy, right, guys? Like, we'll give this one to Daddy. We're gonna save this one for Daddy. You're so thoughtful.
And also this one for Mama.
For Mama, thank you for that.
And when somebody comes over, these are for
I don't like
button
it.
when they come over.
I love it.
Well, what message do you have for our viewers, Kason?
Make sure to like, subscribe,
Look,
and hit the
look.
notification
Look.
bell so that you
Look,
don't
look,
miss out
look.
on the newest
Look,
video,
look,
Cultured
look.
Living. Bye.
Thank you
I'm
for watching.
liking. I love
Oh my
it.
God. You love it too?